Welcome back to 50 Car. Whoever said silence is golden never sat behind the wheel of the 2026 Range Rover Velar. This is not merely a luxury SUV. It's a moving sculpture, whispering elegance while commanding authority with every inch of its bodywork. Designed for the refined, desired by the daring, and crafted for those who believe adventure and class can ride in the same seat, the Velar stirs something deep within. Main features. At its core, the 2026 Velar is a blend of futuristic sophistication and rugged charm. A floating roof, flush door handles, and minimalist lines give it a spaceship-like presence. The 11.4-inch curved touchscreen, AI-powered cabin climate, and terrain-adaptive suspension reveal its dual personality, a city cruiser and wilderness conqueror. Exterior design. Step by step, the front greets you with a slimmer honeycomb grille flanked by digital LED pixel headlamps, precise and piercing. The side profile is clean, framed by high shoulders and aerodynamically sculpted body panels. In the rear, you'll find a wraparound light bar and a clean bumper design. Pros: sculpted elegance, flush aesthetics, and powerful stance. Cons: rear visibility is compromised due to sloping glass. Interior and dashboard design. Inside, the cabin exudes serenity. Sustainable leather alternatives meet contrast stitching and brushed aluminum. A minimalist dashboard houses a floating glass display, supported by haptic controls and voice-activated tech. Massage seats, multi-zone climate, and ambient lighting offer cruise liner comfort. Pros: sumptuous, silent, and future-proof. Cons: touchscreen may lag under multitasking. Glove box feels shallow. Performance. Under the hood, you'll find a 3.0L inline-6 mild hybrid or the potent PE400e plug-in hybrid, both refined and responsive. 0 to 60 miles per hour comes in a brisk 5.2 seconds. Top speed hits 135 miles per hour. Air suspension delivers cloud-like grace over potholes, and all-terrain progress control offers grip on ice, sand, or mud. Pros: balanced ride, refined power, low NVH. Cons: plug-in variant needs frequent charging. Some owners report early brake pad wear. Market positioning. Starting around $63,000, it targets mature buyers age 35-65 who crave modern luxury without loud statements. Competes with the BMW X6 and Audi Q8, yet the Velar feels more couture SUV than tech warrior. Driving it, it's like hosting a dinner party while floating. Additional features. Optional 3D surround camera, 22-inch gloss black wheels, panoramic roof, and a 5-year unlimited mileage warranty. Must-have add-ons: the towing package and waterproof activity key. Decisions to make: mild hybrid for town, plug-in for planet savers.